Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can loop YouTube videos. Now to begin the process, you first open the YouTube application on your mobile device, tap upon the app. Now then you open the video that you want to play. So here I'm just gonna randomly open this video over here. YouTube has recently added the loop feature to the mobile app as well. It works for iPhone, iPad and Android. Now for that, once you open the video, you tap on the three dotted lines on the top right corner of the video. You tap on there and on the option available you will see loop video. You tap on loop video. Now loop video option does not appear in pop-up if the advertisement before your videos is still playing. You must wait for the ad before you can loop. Now to turn off the loop feature, you would need to repeat the same process. You can also loop playlist by going into a video in playlist you want to loop and do these settings that I have just shown you. You just tap on the three dotted lines and you tap on loop videos. With that, the option will get updated and saved as your YouTube setting. This is how you can easily loop YouTube videos on mobile app. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.